A coastal city in France is facing severe flooding after relentless rains turned the streets into rivers. In Ken, locals were seen desperately clinging to lampposts as cars were swept away by the powerful water currents. A shocking video shared earlier on Twitter captured the flooded seaside scene, where residents struggled with the fast-moving water as they tried to cross the streets. The French National Weather Service has issued an emergency flood warning, which remains in effect. They predict moderate damage, particularly in vulnerable or high-risk areas, and have advised people to remain cautious during outdoor activities and keep up with the latest weather updates. Another viral video showed trash bins floating along the flooded streets, with cars nearly fully submerged. The caption under the video read, "Can this morning submerge in heavy rain?" Some videos also showed underground parking lots and tunnels completely flooded. The Republic area suffered significant damage, with vehicles and streets heavily affected. According to the city's official page on X, several major roads, including those leading to Boulevard de Midi, were closed to ensure safety. According to Line Motto, the storm unleashed 26 millimeters of rain in just 1 hour, with 18 millimeters falling in just 12 minutes, causing widespread urban flooding. While the worst of the storm has passed, the aftermath has left the city in chaos, and authorities are continuing their cleanup efforts. Around 1,000 residents have been evacuated in the Emilia-Romagna region of northern Italy after torrential rains and severe overnight flooding, according to local reports on Thursday. Rivers overflowed in 3 provinces: Ravenna, Bologna, and Fontaines, forcing mayors to issue orders for people to either stay on higher floors or leave their homes. At least 800 residents in Ravenna and nearly 200 in Bologna spent the night in shelters, schools, and sports centers as local rivers breached their banks. Train services were delayed, and schools in the affected areas were closed. People have been advised to avoid travel and work remotely if possible. The Faenza area, which had just begun to recover from the catastrophic floods that hit Emilia-Romagna in May 2023, killing 17 people and causing billions of euros in damage, is once again under threat. Although the water levels are nearing critical limits, thanks to the efforts over the past year, the floodwaters have been kept from entering the city center. Many countries in Central and Eastern Europe have been severely impacted by flooding in recent days, including Austria, the Czech Republic, Poland, and Romania, with the death toll across the region rising to over 20. Dunstable High Street is submerged, and cars are stranded in London after torrential downpours hit the region. Residents in the towns of Bedfordshire and Hertfordshire have reported roads flooding following the heavy rains. Social media images reveal areas in Dunstable and Hitchin heavily impacted by the thunderstorms, with shops and vehicles partially underwater. Flood warnings have been issued for areas near the River Lee in Luton and the River Evil at Langford. In Dunstable, photos show cars struggling to navigate the high water levels around the Old Seas Head pub, while residents work tirelessly to clear drains on the High Street. Bedfordshire police have been forced to close parts of High Street due to severe flooding. The A421 westbound near Bedford has also been shut down between the A6 and Marston Moran because of floodwaters. Videos circulating on social media show floodwaters surging through Dunstable, with pedestrians wading through and vehicles attempting to navigate the waves. On Sunday, Bedfordshire police warned that the town's high street had been closed due to severe flooding, urging people to avoid the area and advising drivers to seek alternative routes. Recent images from the Dunstable flood zone reveal the extent of the damage following Sunday's downpour. Luton Road, especially near Duck Bridge by McDonald's, has been heavily flooded, with cars inching through deep water. While much of the world starts a new workday, the flooding chaos continues in these areas.